Everyone, welcome to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get and use Super Magic Meal in Grow a Garden 2 Fall Harvest event. So in here, if you are playing the Fall Harvest event in this Grow a Garden 2, you definitely need to know about the Super Magic Meal. So this is a new gear that will let you send one item from the Fall Harvest map to the Garden Folly map using mailbox. So since the Fall Harvest map is not permanent, this can be extremely useful for saving important items before the event ends. So Super Magic Meal has a super rarity. You can buy it from the gear shop. This Super Magic Meal, and this Super Magic Meal can be used to send items with super rarity or lower back to your main garden folly. So like if you get a valuable pet or seed, gear, or prop from the fall harvest that has the super rarity, you can use this meal to move it safely to your main inventory or to your main map. And this price, if I'm not mistaken, it's about 100 millions maple leaf. So make sure you have enough currency or enough maple leaf. And just remember, one magic meal can only send one item, so make sure you buy enough if you have multiple valuable items to save. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.